Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you another way you can create a frame in Staad Pro V8i. In two of my previous videos I've shown you how you can do this. Okay, so we'll be doing exactly what we have on the screen, but we'll be using another method. Okay, so let me just select all of this using the beam cursor, and then I will delete it. Remember, when you delete the beam, it will also ask you if you want to delete the node, because the node will be useless when there's no more beam. So click on yes so that we can delete the node as well. Okay, so to do that, you go to the geometry and then you go to run structure wizard. So click on run structure wizard. There are several models that are available in the structure wizard. Okay, we have truss model, we have the frame model, we have surface or plate model, we have several models. These are about 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so I'll be using frame model, frame. Okay, because I want to create a frame. If you want to use truss, you can see these are the 6 truss you have available. So I'm worried about the frame, so click on frame model, and then you have several frames. You see, you have the bay frame, you have the grid frame. As time goes on, we'll be dealing with them one by one. So click on bay frame, double click on it, then this is what you have. Then it will ask you to input the dimensions of the frame you want to create. Okay, so you have the length, you have width, and you have height. So first of all let's deal with the length. Okay, this is what we want to model. What we want to model, from this point to this point is 3 meter. Also from this point to this point is 3 meter, which simply means that the length is 6 meters, and then the width is 4 meters. Okay, what about the height? The height will now be 8 meters. Okay, so you should know that. All right, so in the length I will just input 6 meters. What about the height? I will input 8 meters. The width I will input 4 meters. Okay, then to ask me how many number of bays do I have. So in the x direction I have 2 numbers. Okay, in the y direction I also have 2 numbers. In the width I also have 2 numbers. When you do this, and now look at this, 6 meters divided by 2, that will give you 3 meters. Because we have 2 numbers. It said we have 2 numbers and the total length is 6, so that means each one will be 3 meter. So but what if you don't have equal distance? For example, one is 4 meter, the other is 2 meter. 4 meter and 2 meter, that we still round up to 6 meter. Okay, and you still have 2 numbers. I don't know, maybe what I'm saying is clear. Here we have 3 meter, we have another one 3 meter. We have equal distance for the 2 bays, and the total length is 6 meter. That means for each one you'll be having 3 meter. But what if you don't have equal distance? For example, one is 3.5 meter, the other one is 2.5 meter. And you know that 3.5 meter and 2.5 meter will still add up to 6 meters, and you still have 2 number of bays. So all you just need to do is click on this. Then you can see what you have here is 3 meter, 3 meter. So you can just change this one to, let's say, 3.5. Then this one 2.5. Then it will automatically fix that. Okay, so when you click on OK, you see you still have 2 numbers, but it will not put it as 3 meter. But that's not what I want to do. So let me just change it back to 3 meter, and then this one too to 3 meter. Okay, so this is what I want to do. So now everything I have here will be equal distance. Okay, so just click on apply. Okay, so this is the kind of frame I'm expecting. You can click on close and then click on yes. It will ask if it is to insert it at the origin, so just click on OK. Then yes, I want to save. Okay, so just like that you have your beam. Okay, you can see, very simple. Just like that you have your beam. Then let's put back the support. Let me put this in front view. Then you go to the general, you can go to support, then you pick this, select the bottom, then click on assign. Yes. Okay, so this is another way you can do that. So these are the 3 basic ways of modeling a frame. Okay, so whether you want to model a circular frame, you want to model a truss, you want to model anything, these 3 methods will be able to model that. Okay, in the next video I'll be showing you how we can analyze this kind of portal frame. Okay, so if you like this video, ensure you give the video a like and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.